Hi, this is Info with me POCO C65 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way you could add here the new applications to your folder. Let's do it once again. If you want to rename the folder, just tap once on the name and enter the new one. For example, the apps. To move folder on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. To remove the application from here, hold and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the folder or from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. And also, if you want to remove all of the applications, you should and the folder together, hold and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.